Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, we're gonna make Sakura Sable, shortbread cookies decorated with salted cherry blossoms. Now let's get started. Those are salted sakura cherry blossoms. Before use, soak in water for 1 hour. Normally, people enjoy it as tea or for decoration. If you still have leftover of them, please try sakura tea. Beat it until pale and fluffy. Add a half US cup of sugar. Stir butter and sugar until well mixed. Beat an egg. Stir the egg into the mixture. Add all-purpose flour and bread flour. Kosher salt, add 2 pinches. Bring the dough together. Just scoop and press. Don't knead the dough. It looks still crumbly, but it's perfect. Place the wrap on a cutting board. Transfer the dough on it. Wrap it up and form into a rectangle. Chill the dough in a refrigerator for over 1 hour. Preheat the oven to 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Decorate with the sakura buds. How did you like it? I hope you enjoyed the delicious, extra special decorated shortbread cookies at home. Using salted sakura for decoration is a perfect way to make any dishes and desserts turn into spring edition. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!